For those familiar with Andrew Loomis and his drawing books from the 1940s, may also be familiar with the Loomis Head, which is a construction of shapes that help draw the head. One aspect of this construction is that the proportion from the top of the forehead to the brow line is roughly equal to the distance from the brow line to the base of the nose and the nose to the bottom of the chin. This is known as the rule of thirds, not to be confused with the compositional law of thirds. While everyone's face is a bit different and these proportions change from person to person, it is a useful guide to initiate the face drawing and to help catch issues with proportion. If you found this portrait tip helpful, please let me know in the comments. If you would like to see more portrait tips like these, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all of my latest videos. Thank you very much.